Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make cake donuts updated. Preheat your oil to 350 degrees F for frying or your oven to 375 degrees F for baking, then prepare your work surface. Combine dry ingredients, cut in butter until crumbly, and stir in wet ingredients until just combined. Chill briefly, roll dough to about 3-5 inches thickness, and cut donut shapes. I will walk you through frying, baking. Start by weighing or measuring ingredients precisely for consistent results. Then sift flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Cut cold butter into the dry mix until the texture resembles coarse crumbs, then add milk and an egg and stir just until combined. Overmixing causes toughness, so stop when the dough holds together. Wrap and chill the dough briefly to make it easy to roll and cut into neat donut shapes. When frying, heat oil to a steady 350 degrees F and cook donuts a few minutes per side until golden brown, turning once. For baked donuts, fill pans about 2/3 full and bake at 375 degrees F until they spring back. Drain fried donuts on a rack and let cool completely before glazing or dipping. Mix a simple powdered sugar glaze with milk and vanilla, or try chocolate and maple variations for quick, tasty finishes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.